Charging an electric vehicle is completely different to filling up a standard fuel vehicle at a petrol station. The biggest difference is that if you can have a home charger fitted where you live, you'll rarely need to take your EV anywhere to charge it up. However, if you do find yourself needing to charge while out and about, there are plenty of public chargers out there waiting to be used. From your home to your local supermarket car park, you can find an EV charge point almost anywhere. According to ZapMap, the UK's leading app for EV drivers, there are well over 30,000 public charging points across the UK, and by the time you see this video, that figure will be much higher. But that's nothing compared to the number of EV drivers who've had a home charging point installed at their home, with nearly 500,000 chargers installed at residential properties. With those numbers in mind, let's take a look at the most common places to find charging points in the UK. Home charging. The easiest way to charge your EV is to have a charging point fitted at your own home. If you can have a charger fitted at home, for example on your driveway or in off-road parking, it's more convenient and it's also completely private, so you'll never have to queue up to use it unless you have someone else in your house who also drives an EV. Charging on the go. When you're out and about or don't have a home charger, mobile phone apps will be the biggest help in finding a charging point. For example, ZapMap can be used to find your nearest charger. Even Google Maps now lists charging point locations, and you can simply search for EV charger near me and it'll show you where it is. The most likely spots for charging points are service stations, car parks, especially hotels and retail parks, and new dedicated charging forecourts that are popping up across the UK. You'll also notice an increasing number of public roadside charging points being installed in residential areas to support EV drivers who aren't able to install a charge point at home. The public charging infrastructure is improving every day, and soon it'll feel like we have a charging point on every street corner. To find out more about the different types of chargers currently available, check out our video all about how long it takes to charge an EV. The link is right here. So there you go. Finding a charging point isn't tricky. With installation rates rising, they're seemingly popping up everywhere, and there are only going to be more installed as increasing numbers of EVs hit the roads over the coming years. So, whether you install a wall box at home, available for free on a lease with us, or just download one of the apps available to help you find your nearest local charger, you'll find you're never far from one. And don't forget that if you can't install a charge point at your home, you can opt for our free public charging offer with Bonnet instead. It gives you £35 of free charging credit per month for the first 12 months of your lease when you take an EV with Vanarama. As always, if you have any questions, give us a call or head to vanarama.com and check out the deals we have available on electric vehicles.